If you spend a lot of time working in Microsoft Word, finding ways to improve your workflow can save hours and make your documents more professional. Today, we're sharing practical tips on how to improve your Word workflow so you can work faster, stay organized, and produce polished results. Stick around until the end, and if this helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips. One of the best ways to boost your workflow is by using templates. Whether you're creating reports, newsletters, or school assignments, starting with a template saves you from setting up formatting from scratch. You can even customize templates to match your style and reuse them for future documents, which is a huge time saver. Next, learn to use styles effectively. Applying styles for headings, subheadings, and body text keeps your document consistent and allows you to make global changes with just a few clicks. This is especially helpful for long documents, as it also enables you to create tables of contents automatically and navigate easily with the navigation pane. Another workflow booster is quick parts. If you often reuse phrases, paragraphs, or signatures, saving them as quick parts lets you insert them instantly anywhere in your document. This reduces repetitive typing and ensures consistency across multiple files. Keyboard shortcuts are also essential for faster work. Shortcuts like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+Z, Ctrl+Shift+L, and navigation shortcuts like Ctrl+F or Ctrl+Home/End can dramatically speed up editing, formatting, and moving through documents. Mastering these shortcuts turns Word into a highly efficient tool. Finally, take advantage of Word's editor, read aloud, and dictate features. Editor helps you catch grammar and clarity issues quickly. Read aloud lets you proof your text by hearing it, and dictate allows you to speak instead of type. Together, these tools improve your efficiency, reduce errors, and let you focus on creating content rather than fixing mistakes. By combining these strategies, you can improve your Word workflow, save time, and create professional documents with ease. If you found these tips useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and share this with someone who wants to work smarter in Word. Thanks for watching.